So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Bibul. So for beginner, I suggest when you start your journey, try to start with the very basic thing and start with the very simple sentences. If you start with the very basic and simple sentences, it will give you the confidence. Otherwise, what happen if you start with the hard thing and after few days you will find, yeah, really it's very hard, and then actually you will quit. So that kind of problem may happen. So that's why start with the very basic thing, and you can say very simple sentences like my name is Biplav Sen and I am a student of class 10 and my favorite subject is English and I like to read storybooks. I have different kinds of books. Okay, so এভাবে যদি সহজ সহজ সেন্টেন্স নিয়ে তুমি বলতে শুরু করো তাহলে কি হবে দেখবে তুমি কনফিডেন্স পাবে, তুমি ভাববে এই তো আমি পারছি। তো এই ব্যাপারগুলো তোমাকে কনফিডেন্স দিবে এবং তোমার জার্নিটাকে কন্টিনিউ করতে সাহায্য করবে। সো এভাবে স্টার্ট করো and definitely you will find that day by day you will find the improvement, you can see the change and day will come, definitely you can speak very well. Okay, so start your journey and best of luck. Okay, bye, take care.